Right, P3, International Papers, January 2023. It's like the old C3 question. We've got these, it's an ease and LN question, and a bit differentiated as well. Population increasing at a rate. So we've got the population of fruit flies is being studied. The number of fruit flies, T days of the start of the study, is modelled by this equation. And we use the equation to do parts A, B, and C. I don't know what else we do, but there we go. So number of fruit flies at the start of the study, we need to put in T is equal to 0. And the F then is 350 e to the 0 over 9 plus e to the 0. E to the 0 is 1, so we've got 350 over 10, which is 35. And then 215 days to start the study. So when T is equal to 15, the F is 200. So I'll write 350 e to the 15k, T is 15, over 9 plus e to the 15k is 200. Multiply that bottom line. I need to isolate the k or the 15k. So I'll multiply this bracket out and I'll subtract 200 e to the 15k off both sides. Give me 150 e to the 15k. Divide by 150. So I've just got e to the something. So I can do the ln's now. 15k is the ln of 12 and divide by 15. And then the last part, when T is equal to big T, the number of fruit flies increasing at a rate of 10 per day. Find the possible values of T. Give me that's the one decimal place. Here's the quotient rule you get in the formula book. You've got the top line differentiated times by the bottom minus the top times the bottom differentiated all over the bottom squared. So df over dt is going to be there's the bottom line, there's the g of x, and the multiply of the top differentiated. Well, it's going to be 350k e to the kt, because that's what the e to the kt differentiate is, minus the top line 350 e to the kt multiplied by the bottom differentiated, which is 350k e to the kt, all over the bottom squared, and that's going to be equal to 10. Looks like it's a holy mess, so we'll let z be equal to e to the kt. Looks a bit better. So we've got 9 plus z, 350kz, and then 350z kz. Now actually these two terms here, the z times the 35kz is the same as the 35z times kz, so they'll actually cancel out. So I'll just have 9 times 35kz on the top, and then I'll multiply by this bottom line. So 315kz is 1 times 9 plus z all squared. Multiply that bracket out and take away the 315kz. And we get that quadratic. Stick in the k that I got before. We need to, and actually one decimal place, I'll put 3 decimal places here. You can use the quadratic formula or stick it in your calculator. When you get 2 solutions to that, remember the z was e to the kt. So to both of these, I need to do the ln of them and divide by k. And I get 5.7 and 20.8.